हेलो बच्चों, चलो आज ABCD सीखते हैं। A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jackal. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra। चलो दोस्तों, थैंक यू।